Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the steps to update the X app, formerly known as Twitter, on your Android device. Keeping your apps updated is essential for the best performance and security, so let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. To begin, locate the Google Play Store app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on the icon to open it. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Once you're in the Play Store, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. It usually features your account picture. Tap on it to access your account options. Step 3. Select Manage Apps and Device from the Overflow menu. In the menu that appears, you'll see several options. Select Manage Apps and Device to view all the apps installed on your device and check for updates. Step 4. Go to the Updates Available section. Now, you'll be taken to a screen where you can manage your apps. Look for the section labeled Updates Available. This is where you'll find all the apps that have updates ready to be installed. Step 5. Check if X, Twitter, is listed among the apps with available updates. Scroll through the list to see if X, Twitter, is included. If it's there, great. You're ready to proceed. Step 6. Tap on the Update button next to X, Twitter. Once you find X, Twitter, in the list, simply tap the Update button next to it. The app will begin downloading the latest version, ensuring you have all the new features and fixes. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully updated the X app on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.